Okay, so you want to start decorating, you want to do it right, you're not sure how to make sure you stay in budget, how to get the room you love. So here are 5 questions that you need to ask yourself before you start designing any room. So I'm Kayla Goldstein, I'm an interior designer, and this is my YouTube channel where I kind of just give tips and tricks for interior design, and you can feel free to check me out on my other channels. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, and share it with your friends. So question number 1. What is the room going to function as? 1, 2, 3, 5 different things, doesn't matter. Once we know what it's functioning as and who it's functioning for, we can pick style, color, furnishings, and all that. So pick what it's doing and who it's doing it for. So it's a bedroom for a toddler, it's a living room for a big huge family, and on and on and on. Question number 2. What do you love in the room currently? Why? Why do you love it? Try to be open-minded. Try not to think of the things that are in your room as they are in your room now. Try to think of the little table that you hate alone. Do you still hate it? Can it be painted? Do you now like it? Try to think of all the stuff that you like in the room, and it doesn't only have to be the furniture. It can also be things that are in the room already, like the floor, the paint, the window, stuff like that. Try to think of everything on its own and not in its room, and something that helps with that is taking everything out of the room and looking at it outside of the room. Question number 3 is, what do you hate in the room and why? Now, this is going to be answered a lot faster, and I know you're already thinking of things that you hate, so I want you to tell me them in the comments, but I want you to tell me why you hate them. So I don't want you to just say, well, I hate the floor. I want you to say, I hate the floor because it's a ceramic tile, and ceramic tile is super cold, and I'm looking for a cozy look. As close to that as you can get. Obviously, not everybody's going to be able to go that far, but try to go as far as you can so that you don't make the same mistakes again. For instance, if you don't like cold flooring, then you don't want to put in cement and then still not like the room once it's finished. Question number 4. What style will the room be in? You have to choose the style for your room before doing anything else so that you don't have buyer's regret, buyer's remorse, so that you know exactly what you're looking for when you go to the store and you're not overwhelmed, and so that you know exactly how much stuff to put in the room. You can pick your style by going to the style video, but a quick overview is basically you try to figure out the feeling that you want to feel in the room, the things that make you feel that feeling, and the style that incorporates those qualities. So if you want to feel cozy, a big deep couch with lots of pillows makes you feel cozy, and country style living gives you that kind of style. And question number 5 is the budget. So how much do you want to spend in this room? How much can you spend in this room? Is it going to be a DIY room? Is it going to be a complete gut reno? Is it going to be something in between? Decide the budget, and if you can, decide what you are going to divide the budget in. Like, I have this much money for the floor, I have this much money for my couches, and I have this much money for accents and stuff like that, so that you will not go over budget when you are going shopping. So that's it for now. I hope that you like this video. I hope that you will incorporate these into your room so that you can make the whole entire process easier for you. Even if you're hiring an interior designer, this will make the process much easier for your interior designer. And share with anybody who you think will benefit. That's it. Have a good week.